Hello there, my friends, and welcome. You're not going to believe what just happened in our community. One of our own 24-year-old Nicola, do you remember being 24? Say yes in the comments. She just crossed a massive milestone, and I want to just celebrate her win. If I had access to this information when I was 24, I definitely wouldn't be right here where I am right now. I'll be living the laptop lifestyle somewhere in across the globe. But what's interesting about the story I'm about to share with you is that couldn't even show her face. She was afraid to show her face online, and now she's been able to earn more than a doctor actually earns in South Africa. Imagine going to doctor school for years and years, and some 24-year-old earning more than you online. That's the world we're living in. But this just isn't about money. It's about the transformation. Imagine Nicola had no degree, no audience, no experience, but she had the courage to show up consistently, right? So if you're watching this thinking, I could never do that, well, that's exactly what Nicola was thinking just a few months ago. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. Originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, currently studying for my degree here in business and marketing in Dublin, Ireland. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed, I was stressed and frustrated. I was so sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I actually felt like I was on this hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. You name it, I've been there, done that, from affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto trading, drop shipping. I had this shiny object syndrome, and I always felt like there was something missing with the one that I had. And then I'll jump onto the next one. And I remember having this mom guilt because I was spending all this money on these different programs, but I wasn't breaking even. I wasn't making enough to even cover my costs, right? So I felt like I was stealing from my kids just to build this vision online. But it was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that everything changed for me. Last year, I came across this proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint that's showing me how to attract my perfect customer using social media, so I no longer have to bother my family and friends or slide into strangers' DMs. Now, what I'm loving about this program is, apart from these inspiring stories that our community is having, what I'm loving most is that we get access to live interactive coaching and mentorships every single week. So let me go ahead and celebrate Nicola and share with you exactly what she wrote in our community, right? So here we go. So I'm just going to scroll down. I'm on the wins tab here, so you can see Tuli made her first sale in 10 months. That was 17 hours ago. Liz got 100,000 views on YouTube. Catherine got $100 ding, and she's in Pretoria as well. I went to a concert, and then that while she was enjoying herself, the $100 ding came in. Cara was made $300 while in her sleep, grateful and excited to help and mentor her new customer. Danielle, 11 hours ago, he's sharing how his video is going viral. And I'm looking for financial wins. One of our 6-figure mentors, she's earned $500,000. She's actually been able to build a house and they're mortgage free. She's a busy mom with 3 boys, and she actually had to clean homes just to get started with this program. Alan, 3 days ago, $900 while you're sleeping. Now, here is what we're going to focus on, right? Let's go ahead and share what Nicola says. How do I make this bigger again? Okay, here, let's try doing this. Nope, try something else. Let's try, okay, there we go. Enlarge this. So she goes, Nicola, 5 days ago, wow, this feels surreal. For 10 months, I watched my fiance, Nico, earned online while I stayed in my 8 to 5 job, not even 9 to 5, 8 to 5, making just 10,000 rands a month, which is less than 550. She was working 8 to 5 and earning $550 equivalent, okay? 28th of January, I finally faced my fears and stepped into the digital world. I was terrified. I didn't want to show my face. I kept thinking, what will people say? What will those people who don't pay my bills say when I show my face? But I showed up anyway, quietly, imperfectly, authentically. And now, as April ends, just 3 months, I've made 6,700 in a single month. That's 124,000 rands, right? Remember, she used to earn 10,000 a month, right? And she's a 24-year-old and she has no degree. She earns more than a doctor earns in South Africa. That's more than she's made in a whole year. Think about putting things into perspective, right? To anyone scared to start, scared to be seen, I was you in January. But growth doesn't come from comfort, it comes from courage. So I'm going to like this here and just absolutely congratulate this girl. My friend, keep rocking it. Yes, and I'm gonna comment there. Okay, so yeah, I've shared with you different wins, not just Nicola's. So we have a proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that anybody can use. But let me show you, apart from the wins, right? Let me share with you what's so special about this program is even though you get access to the blueprint on a different platform where you get login details. This here is our bonus site where we have 52,000 members. You can ask question, 154 happen to be online. Somebody always answers you, okay? So it's a great support. And whenever you share anything, ask any questions, there's people to support you. Imagine surrounding yourself with people who are just going where you want to go. Some of them have been there as well. But this calendar here is where we get access to live interactive coaching and mentorship. Every single week we have mentorship on the Monday, on the Thursday, we have a social media one coming up. We have technical calls. We have all these calls here that we can jump on. But we also have this classroom where our multi-millionaire, this is one of the best parts I like is 90-day sprints. So we have one coming up from next Monday where she takes us by the hand every day for 90 days, sends us a video. The video magically appears in here and she gives us action steps, right? Because again, it's about having that accountability. Imagine somebody who's made a multi-millionaire, 5 million, just being there supporting you and showing you exactly what to do. We have mindset training, we have mentoring replays, social media training, all this training. Again, guys, this is our bonus site. It's not actually where you get access to your blueprint. That's a different site where you have step by step. And then the wins, I've already shared them with you. So I'm not going to go again and share the wins with you. So if you're interested in learning more, I encourage you to click the link in the description to claim your free copy of our Freedom Formula Blueprint. Now, I will deliver this to your email. Check your spam folder, your promotional folder. And once you've gone through the blueprint, respond to my email. Let's have a conversation. I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.